Hey guys, it's Delight. I am here to do another yarn unboxing video. This time I got an order from Bluprint.com. And Bluprint has been around for a while, but they were called Craftsy before. So if you've ever heard of Craftsy, it's the same company, they just rebranded. And they have a lot of really cool classes. I've taken a couple of crochet classes from there to improve my skills. And they have supplies and yarn and kits and all kinds of fun stuff. And I wanted to up-level my yarn game a little bit. So almost all this yarn you can see behind me is acrylic yarn. It's premium acrylic yarn, so it's a little bit nicer. It's not the cheapest of the cheap, but it's not really fancy or nice. And I just wanted to explore some other types of fibers. I got a really good deal. I think there was a 40% off coupon one day on the stuff from Bluprint. I almost called it Craftsy. I got an email from Bluprint with a 40% off coupon, and I was like, ooh, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Let's see how this goes. So I got a whole box of yarn, and now I'm going to open it and take a look. And this is real. I ordered this like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and this box has been sitting in my office for over a week. So I'm super excited to see, because I never saw this yarn in person at all. I just totally ordered it blindly from the internet, hoping that it would turn out good. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, let's open it up and see what it is. Ooh, fun. Ready, set, create. Yes, I am. Ooh boy, let's get a closer look at these goodies. So first off, we have, ooh, this is nice. This is called Natasha by Bremont. Made in Peru. What is this made of? See, I don't even remember. Alpaca. Oh, this is alpaca. That's right. I was looking at it online, and I don't know if you can see, there's little like hairs coming off of it, kind of. I was like, I wonder what that'll look like if I make a hat with this and I take a photo. Is it going to look like hairy? So we shall see. So I got that in blue. I got 2 little skeins of this, and then I got it in orange. I guess I was thinking about making a Denver Broncos hat with, ooh, this would be pretty actually. I like that. I think I did good with that. I think they have nice photos on Bluprint, because this is looking just like I hoped it would look. So those are the same. Oh, I'm excited for this one. I think this one was more expensive. I feel like this was a splurge, because I just look at the colors. It's so pretty. I might have to make myself a hat with this one. Nobody else is going to get this. This is going to be mine. All right, so this is called Superwash Merino Worsted Twist Splash, and the color is Caspian Sea, and it's by Cloudborn Fibers. I believe that this is associated with Bluprint. Like, I think you can only get Cloudborn yarn from Bluprint. Oh, by the way, if you want to go shop these yarns, I have a link down below to Bluprint, so you can go get these if you like any of them. This feels so nice. So it's twisted merino, because merino is wool, and you think wool is scratchy, but this is not scratchy. It's very soft. It actually feels like soft, very similar to this, but you can tell that it's a step up. It's a nicer yarn for sure. Okay, very happy with my Caspian Sea choice. Oh, all right, so let's see if this worked out right. Okay, so here's another Cloudborn one. This is called Highland Dk. Oh, I also experimented with some different thicknesses. Like, all this yarn right here is worsted, and this is like super bulky, but DK is thinner yarn than worsted, and I haven't really done much with DK before. However, my friend had bought me this. She had bought me this from Craftsy. Let's see how Craftsy/Bluprint, sorry. She had bought me 2 of these originally, like for my birthday or something. And then I think when I moved, one of them got dropped and it was really like messed up, so I just tossed it out. And then I found a pattern to make fingerless mittens, and I really wanted to make 2, and I think these will be close enough since I can make 1 mitten with each one. I think it'll be, if they're not exactly the same dye lot number, it'll be fine. So that turned out good. So the color of this is called Ocean, if I said that already. And this is made of, what is this made of? Fine Highland wool. So these are wool too. And it's like a teensy bit scratchier, I think, than like the Merino is. Yeah, it's definitely a little scratchier, but I don't think it'll be, you know, annoyingly scratchy. I think it'll be fine for my mittens. I'd say so far, this one is probably the softest. The Alpaca is probably the softest one. Ooh la la. Here we have, okay, worsted. I think I wanted to try like all the worsted yarns that they had in just different fibers and see what it's all about. So this is Highland Worsted. The color is Stormy Skies. I love this color. And so again, this is by Cloudborn, and this is the Highland wool again. So very similar, these two. One is just that you can see this yarn is thicker than this one because this is worsted and this is DK. So, ooh, pretty. I'm very thrilled with my yarn so far. I think that the photos online definitely, you know, did it justice. Things turned out just like I wanted. Oh my. Oh, this was on, right, this was on super sale. So I think I got 3 of these. Why did I buy 3 of these? You never know. It's so funny when you're shopping and then you open something later and you're like, what was I thinking when I bought this? I think that this was on clearance. I think that's why I bought 3 of them, because I didn't know if I'd be able to get more if I liked it. So this one is Wool Fingering Twist. So it's fingering width yarn. Wow. So this is like one of the thinnest types of yarn you can get. You can see how thin that is. It's not that much thinner though than this one, which is like, yeah, it's not that much different really. I don't think. I'm sure it will make a difference when you crochet with it, I think. But this doesn't look as thin as I thought it would for being fingering weight yarn. So the color is called Carmine Heather, if it's still available. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this was the one that was on clearance. So yes, very pretty. I got 3 skeins of that one. And now, okay, this one is also Highland Worsted. I think I had another, yeah. So these two are the same. They're both worsted weight, and they're both from the Highland Wool by Cloudborn. This one's called Dark Teal, and this one's called Stormy Skies. I really like both of them. They could even be together in something potentially. Let's see. So, oh, this is a really small skein. I didn't think it would be this small when I ordered it. That's always kind of a bummer when sometimes when you order online, you don't realize. I think I probably didn't look at how many yards it had in it. So this is worsted weight yarn, and it's made from alpaca. And oh, it says baby alpaca too. And the color is called Poppy Heather. And it's like I said, it's worsted and it's limited edition. Ooh. And so I don't know though. Let's see how many yards are in here. I don't even think I can make it. 110 yards. I don't think I can even make a hat with this. I should have looked closer and got, yeah, I only got 1. So I did get this. I did get these. I think I was thinking that I'd be able to make a hat with each of these, but I don't think I can. So I am going to need to make a stripy hat with these 3 stripes would probably work, or order some more. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. They're pretty though. Kind of want to order more just because I like them. I think it would look great to have, it could look really cool to have these 3 in a stripe, and it could look really cool to have like 3 different hats, one of each color, you know, to show some options. I think my thought with this was to make some messy bun beanies. That's why I got the pink. And I also just like the pink. So yeah, this is a little bit smaller amount than I thought it was. So note to self, check the yardage when you're ordering. If you want to make a hat, I think, I can't remember exactly how many yards it takes for me to make a hat. I think it's like 160, 175, something like that. So yeah, one of those skeins is not going to cut it. Okay, and I think I did, oh, okay. So then I got some more green. This is Highland Worsted. Oh, this is Superwash Highland Worsted. You can tell that it's different because it's rolled differently. And it's very pretty. I like it as well. It is a little more handy when the yarn comes rolled up like this. So you can just start using it. When it comes like all twisted up like this, I have to, I don't have a machine to do it. So I just like roll it on my hands before I start crocheting with it. And that takes a little while, but it's just so pretty. It's okay. I'll just work with it as long as I need to. So this, let's see, Superwash Highland Worsted. The color is evergreen. And how many yards does this have? 200 yards. So I can make a hat with this. I guess I thought that this was the same size as this when I ordered online. Ah, my mistake. I didn't read carefully. Okay, and then I have just one other. I guess I couldn't resist. Ooh. Okay, so this one actually is acrylic worsted. This is called Sprightly. I think that this might be unique to Bluprint as well, but I'm not totally sure. And I just wanted to try out, you know, a different brand of acrylic worsted weight yarn, just like I normally use. And ooh, it does feel nice and soft. I like this for sure. So this is acrylic. I got, again, I'm like, what was I thinking here? I got 3 rolls of orange. And I know I was wanting to make something in Bronco's colors, but like, I don't know why I didn't also get blue in the same yarn. So I will probably be making another order from Bluprint soon. So yes, I'm excited. So I will be crocheting some things with these yarns and sharing with you more thoughts once I've used them to give you some ideas on if I like them, if they're similar to what I'm used to, which is like the Michaels brand acrylic yarn. Just take a look at this one more time. So pretty. Maybe I will turn this into some mittens before the winter is over. Maybe I will order some more of these little cuties. If not, I will make an amazing striped beanie. Then we have my Caspian Sea. I just like don't even want to put it down. So pretty. Some more wool. Some more. Here's my stuff that I think was on clearance, my purple. Then we're back to the Highland Worsted again. And the Alpaca. I'm glad I tried this Alpaca. This is very pretty. I'm going to enjoy. It seems like silly to make a Broncos beanie with alpaca yarn. But that's what I was thinking at the time when I ordered this. So that is my yarn unboxing from Bluprint. If you want to shop some of these and try them yourself, check out the link down below in the description. If you order, it is an affiliate link, so I will get a little cut. If you like this and you want to support my channel, you can do that for me by ordering with my link from Bluprint. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up because it helps that YouTube algorithm show this to more people who are into yarn and crocheting. And if you want to hang out with me and see what happens when I actually make that Broncos beanie, then you're going to want to subscribe so I can keep you updated on my crochet progress and how I actually like these yarns when I work with them. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.